Someone just started a YouTube channel. No face, no voice, no camera. 100% AI generated. And in 90 days, it crossed 100,000 subscribers. The channel makes money every single day, even while the owner sleeps. Ad revenue, sponsorships, affiliate links, all from a channel that doesn't even have a real human behind it. And the crazy part? You can build the exact same thing, starting today. I'm going to show you every single step, the AI tools, the exact prompts, the editing strategy, everything. Because this isn't just a trend. This is the biggest passive income opportunity on YouTube right now. And most people have no idea it exists. Let's build it. First, you need an anchor that looks completely real.
A cast for breaking news regarding the global economic crisis.
Open ChatGPT and paste this character prompt. It will generate a detailed, professional avatar description for you. Now, open a new tab in ChatGPT. Click on Create an Image and paste that prompt. Hit Generate. If it still looks AI generated, just type Make the character more realistic and human. Keep regenerating until it looks believable. Now type Generate multiple camera angles of the same character. Keep the face and identity 100% consistent. This makes your channel look like a real professional production. Animate the character. Now we bring the character to life. Use HeyGen Google VO. Upload the generated character, then add voice, animate lip sync, generate realistic motion. This is what makes the fake reporter look completely real. Step 2. Find viral topics. Don't guess what to make. Find what's already going viral. Paste this prompt into ChatGPT. It scans X, Twitter, and the entire internet and finds the 15 hottest topics people are obsessing over right now. Hook, thumbnail, video angle, all done for you. Pick the highest virality score. That's your next video. Never create random content. Only make videos people are already screaming about. Step 3. Write a script that keeps people watching. This is the part most people completely mess up. A bad script kills the video before it even starts. Paste this prompt into ChatGPT. It writes your entire script in seconds. Every line builds curiosity. Every sentence pulls viewers deeper. Nobody skips, nobody leaves. Because if viewers get bored for even 1 second, the algorithm buries your video forever. That's your complete script, ready to record, ready to go viral. Step 4. Generate the voice. Your anchor looks real. Now it needs to sound real. Open ElevenLabs and go to Text-to-Speech. Choose a voice that matches your anchor's personality. If it sounds fake, switch voices until it doesn't, because one thing instantly exposes a fake channel: the voice.
Reports are indicating a significant shift in market trends.
Step 5. Edit like a real news channel. This is the step that separates a fake-looking channel from one that gets millions of views. Open CapCut. Your AI anchor goes in the center, but never stay on one shot too long. Every 2 to 3 seconds, cut to something new. B-roll, screenshots, AI visuals, motion graphics. Keep the eyes busy. Keep the brain engaged. Add glitch transitions on shocking moments. Dramatic zoom cuts on key words. Auto captions, absolutely. Every single video. Dramatic music underneath. Sound effects on every cut. Get free footage from Pexels and Pixabay. Free, legal, professional quality. Need professional motion graphics? Go to Mixkit.co. Free news lower thirds, titles, and broadcast graphics. Or Motion Array. Ready-made news templates, countdowns, breaking news animations. Drag, drop, done. Looks like $1 million production. Here's the secret most people miss. Go watch CNN, BBC, any major news channel. Study how they cut, how they pace, how they build tension. Then copy that exact energy with AI. Because when the editing feels real, the whole channel feels real. And that's when the views start coming in. And that's it. No face, no camera, no studio. Just 5 steps and a fully monetized AI channel. The people who start today will be the ones with 100K subscribers by the end of the year. Like, subscribe, comment AI below.